Okay, so we're looking at a tangential section of wood, and I'm going to start with this kind of outline of the huge ray here filled with parenchyma cells. And so each and every single one of these, you're seeing the end, basically a cross section, through one of the parenchyma cells. So this is a ray, and each one of those is a parenchyma cell. Not all rays are that large, so you'll see some that are just one kind of cell layer thick, but still they're filled with those those parenchyma cells, each one of those rays. You'll see some large openings, and those large openings are the vessel elements that are laid end to end, and because they are so wide, you're basically kind of cut through the middle of the barrel, and they just run all the way throughout this section. The other thing that you'll see a lot of, which kind of reminds me of roundworms, but they're not, are very thick-walled fibers, very, very long, and they kind of look pretty much solid as they run throughout. Okay, so we have the fibers and the vessel elements, and you're unlikely to see early wood versus late wood here if you think about that, looking at the top of your trunk and those rings. What we've done is basically we have a slice like right here. So you can see that it does not actually go through a growth ring. It's a potential that you could have gotten a slice there, so you might be able to see one, but there's no way to tell, and it will depend on your particular slice. So you may or may not have early wood versus late wood.